What's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about a new Polkadot gem for you guys. Before we get into the video, I'd like to say Happy New Year's to you guys. Let's kick off 2020 right. Let's make sure we make money in 2021. This is going to be my first video of 2021, so hopefully it does well and helps a lot of people. So now I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel. I do have a new goal that I'm setting, and it's for this year. I have a goal of reaching 5,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and let's get right into the video, guys. So today we're going to be talking about DemodyFI. It's a new Polkadot gem coming into the market in Q1. So this quarter right here, this is when this is going to be coming out. So it's the multi-chain universe powered by Polkadot, connecting the cryptocurrency ecosystem using interoperable technologies. Right now they're doing their private sale, so if you guys think you could get in that, try it. Their public sale should be coming soon. So let's go on. Build on Polkadot, DemodyFI is a decentralized finance platform with a vision to bring financial stability, liquidity, and accessibility to the mainstream. Due to Polkadot, the DemodyFI protocol has the capability to go beyond the limits of current Ethereum DEX, with the opportunity to add tokens from the Polkadot ecosystem as well as other blockchains to the exchange. As a result, we are able to build the next gen DEX that extend its DeFi product line to a one-stop cross-chain money market. This is their big targets right here: multi-bridge interoperability, secure stake assets in a non-custodial manner, not limited to ERC tokens, innovation, change the rules by joining the governance system. Now here's the ecosystem. You got economic incentives. The DMOD token serves three distinct purposes: governance over the network, staking, and acts as deflationary asset. Cross-chain interoperability between I think they didn't mean to put that there, but between all kinds of chains, including Ethereum parachain. They are aiming to be connected to the Polkadot ecosystem as a parachain, sharing the consensus and protected by the network performance of Polkadot. So that's pretty big that they're aiming to become a parachain. So who knows, this could be an official DEX of the Polkadot ecosystem that becomes a parachain, right? Right now you have Polkastarter, which is basically crowdfunding DEX. Then you have Polkaswap, which is like a DEX just for the Polkadot ecosystem. Then now let's go next generation platform built with Substrate. We make transactions scalable by choosing the Substrate-based framework, which in turn uses Grandpa consensus algorithm to finalize blocks quickly. So here you go. This is the platform. This is how it will work. Swap. You got swap easily between assets on different chains, bridges on Polkadot and other chains like Ethereum, and build Bitcoin for cross-chain swaps. Users can swap between any two supported tokens by paying a 0.3% swap fee. Direct conversions. If there is liquidity pool for the exact same pair, it will offer the best price. Solves the scalability issues, and which also high gas fees. Then you got the pools here. Protocol for automated liquidity provisions. Pool token holders are entitled to receive the swap fees paid by the users who swap through their liquidity pool. So that's interesting. At launch, the entire amount of swap fees, 0.3% per swap, will be distributed to liquidity providers. So that's pretty good. Incentivizes people to add liquidity to the DEX. DemodyFI delivers the option to later redirect a maximum of 0.6% per swap to fund the ongoing R&D of the protocol. Swap fees will go first to the reserves of the respective liquidity pools. Users will receive their proportionate share when they return the pool taken to redeem their shares and reserves. Liquidity providers are subjected to permanent loss should the prices of the token diverge from the original prices. They are suggested to take this into consideration, and in comparison with expected share of fees and yield before making a decision to contribute to the liquidity pool. So that's pretty big for anybody that wants to be a liquidity provider. You should already know that. Then you got the DMOD token. So the DMOD token, basically, here we go. We're going to talk about the utility and economic model designed to incentivize token holders and users of the DemodyFI protocol. Fee discounts in addition to existing fee savings available to DemodyFI users. DMOD tokens will get additional fee discounts up to 10% to use DemodyFI. That's pretty big. You get to vote. Token burn. DMOD is a deflationary token. 10% of the fees collected will be used to buy DMOD. Do they mean DMOD or just demo tokens from the market and burned? Okay. Staking a part of the fees collected from the DemodyFI protocol will be used to buy DMOD tokens from the market. These tokens will be distributed to the DMOD token staking holders. So that's very interesting right there. Then it's the voting protocol. This is the governance protocol for those that are interested in that. Right, so here's the MVP. This is what the DEX will look like. This is how the DEX will look like. It's kind of looks like a little bit like what do you want to call that? Damn, I forgot the name of it. Freak it. It's the other DEX, but it still looks kind of clean. I do wish I don't like this here, at least. I don't know if they're going to clean up on that. I wish to see more of it, to be honest. If they actually have buy sells and all that, limit orders, that is very interesting. If they could do that, that is big. All right, so now we're going to look at the core features of the platform. It's scalable, next-gen DeFi platform by the multitude of assets existing on numerous chains. Cost reduction. By building on top of Polkadot's architecture, we are creating virtually limitless composability between blockchains. The real benefits for this is that we are able to scale economically and volumes of transactions which leads to lower costs. Permissionless, any new tokens can directly access liquidity through adding their tokens for an exchange to the router contract. Then you got circulation. Liquidity providers can benefit from contributing liquidity to the liquidity pools. On-time transactions. With Polkadot ecosystem, we are able to accelerate the speed process for transactions with validations. Then you can join their Telegram here. So now we're going to look at the roadmap. We're in Q1 of 2021. Initial beta launch phase 2.0. Listing on Uniswap, staking for governance, liquidity mining, permissionless listing. Then you got the key token swap information, including smart contracts and swap ratio. And you got Q2 and Q3 of 2021. First stable launch phase 1.0, DeFi, DemodyFI 2.0, cross-chain token swaps, flash loans, governance, staking features. And then for Q4 of 21, okay, hold up, make sure we got everything. Okay, so Q4 of 2021, you got stable launch, DemodyFI 3.0. Then you got Q4 of 2021, NFT integration, depending on the development. Research NFT possibilities. So NFTs could possibly come to this DEX. That is going to be very interesting, right? Ecosystem built on, you got Polkadot, Moonbeam, Substrate, Uniswap, and Ethereum. And that's how you can contact them. So let's go look at the Medium article now on why they chose to build on Polkadot. Of course, gotta get rid of that. Building DemodyFI on Polkadot. Right? So I got a few things here that I have highlighted. And why I'm so big on Polkadot exactly is why I'm going to tell you right here. They even mention it here. Polkadot is very big. I think it's going to be a big player. It's going to be, I think it could be as huge as Ethereum, close to as huge as Ethereum, right? Because we haven't seen any other blockchain be able to do what Polkadot is actually trying to do, right? So Polkadot is, right, now in parentheses, or rather intends to be a blockchain that connects many different blockchains. It is designed to solve some of the major problems that are preventing blockchain technology from reaching large-scale, real-world applications, and that is very true, as we're seeing with DeFi on Ethereum, things like that. Right? Why DemodyFi on Polkadot? Ethereum is congested, and cost efficiency and scalability challenges are driving projects to build on other chains, which is true, leading to emerge towards other ecosystem in which these problems will solve. Polkadot, of course. Polkadot has been tackling this massive problem, and it has introduced a crucial solution that will revolutionize and advance the industry entirely. So here's the several possibilities DemodyFI contribute to the issues. DemodyFI is using Polkadot's advanced substrate technology to create its own blockchain, focus on market segmentation with all DeFi needs in one place. Collaborated decentralized liquidity pools enabling cross-chain lending, then advanced price discovery and liquidity. Users will be able to trade multiple crypto assets from DemodyFi's native decentralized exchange and use its convenient interface to manage their assets across multiple chains, non-custodial, using MetaMask and the Polkadot JS extension wallets. So that's pretty cool and big, right? Now the final word, it's not too big, right? This basically just tells you what DemodyFI stands for. DemodyFI stands for thinking differently and diverging from the way we currently think and act through finance. So that is their final word, and that's what I felt like was pretty big for them to stay, right? So that's DemodyFI for you guys. I do believe this is going to be a good project that's coming in quarter one of 2021. Could be a decent DEX. We got to see how things play out for it. They are aiming to be a pair chain for Polkadot, which I don't see any other DEX for Polkadot actually doing. I don't think Polkastar is trying to become a pair chain for Polkadot, nor do I think Polkaswap is trying to do the same thing. But I could be wrong on the Polkaswap end, right? So this could be the first like pair chain that becomes a DEX on Polkadot, and that could be big for DemodyFI itself, being a pair chain for Polkadot, being a DEX pair chain for Polkadot that actually allows you to do cross-chain swaps, has interoperability built into it. Then it brings in NFTs. So it's going to be interesting to see how DemodyFI itself plays out in 2021 and integrates itself into the Polkadot ecosystem. So let me know what you guys think about DemodyFI. Do you guys like it? What do you guys think about it so far? How do you think it's going to play with the other Polkadot projects in the ecosystem? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on a new goal. We have the new goal of reaching 5,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.